Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of you guys kept asking, like, where are the kiss nail videos of you just doing kiss nails with the acrylic? So I'm bringing it back. I know I still do like kiss videos, but you guys wanted me to do a whole full set with kiss, and I'm not really like too fond, but we're gonna do it. So I'm doing a whole full set with just kiss products. Not all kiss products, because the nail polishes are just like LA Colors and stuff like that, which you can find at Dollar Tree for $1 or even Walmart for $1. But I will be using the acrylic. I also mixed the acrylic with some glitters that I had around, and I just mixed a couple of I just mixed a couple of glitters together, and I came up with this. So super easy, super affordable, super cheap. I'm pretty sure this full set was like $10, and probably not even, maybe a little bit cheaper, because these kiss acrylic kits, you can get them from Walmart or even Family Dollar for like $6.50. The two nail polishes were $2, and the glitters, literally, if you have glitter laying around your house, use it, honey. Do not let it go to waste, and mix it with a little bit of clear kiss acrylic, and you're good to go. So that's kind of what I did, and I'm just showing you right here. I'm gluing on the kiss nail tips while I'm just sizing up my nails, and then I will be gluing it on. If you see dog hair on my table, I have dogs, you guys. Please don't come for me. Do not judge me. I know I have dog hair all over me. It's just how I live my life. I'm a dog mom. It's just, that's just the way to go. But yeah, so this video is kind of long. I won't be talking throughout the whole video because it was an easy full set, and like I said, super affordable, super cheap. You can go to Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree to find inexpensive things, and you guys wanted to see a whole full set, so that's kind of what I did. I just did a ombre glitter effect with some glitters that I had, and I just mixed them all together. And yeah, it was super cheap and super affordable, and I left them long, not super long. I didn't double my nail tips, but I did leave them long just because I like long nails. I'm not really like a short person, you know, a short nail person. So yeah, I left them this length, and I didn't cut them coffin or stiletto. I wanted a nice square, so that's what I did. So I will be using everything in the kit: the glue, the nail tips, the files, the monomer, the acrylic, everything, you guys. I used I didn't use a nail drill, and I didn't use an LED lamp. So for you guys that are trying to be on a budget, I didn't use any of that. The nail polishes are from Walmart. They're like 98 cents. And then the ice polish, I got it from the Dollar Tree, which was $1. The glitters I just had in my house, so I just mixed them up with the clear acrylic. And then the nail kit I got from Walmart, and it was $6.50. If you go to CVS or Walgreens, they normally have sales like buy one get one free. So you can literally, yes, do it. Buy one get one free. I'm all for it. I'm here. It's winning. So yeah, I will probably be coming in and out of the video. I don't know for sure. It was very super easy. I just wanted to show you guys that this is how they look and stuff. As you guys may know, I am a huge fan of the kiss acrylic kits. I love them. They're super affordable, like I keep saying. And not only that, if you're a beginner, it's good to work with. A lot of you guys were commenting and saying, oh, don't do this, don't do that. But honestly, it's literally a play kit. It's not gonna last more than a month because it's not a professional nail kit. It's something that you do if you're just on a budget and you just want some nails, things like that. So I know a lot of you guys were saying, you know, don't follow her, don't do that. I'm not telling you guys to do this. I'm just showing you guys that you can have nails on a budget. If you have kids, you know, I understand it's a lot of money to get your nails done every 2 weeks. Trust me, I understand. I completely understand. So I just wanted to do that disclaimer out there. I'm just trying to help in, you know, the most possible way that I can, especially for if you're on a budget. So please do not come for me. I'm just trying to help, like I said. So yeah, but other than that, if you are new to my channel, definitely check out all the giveaways that I have down in the description box. And if you are oldie but a goodie, definitely make sure you check them out also, because I post new giveaways. Some of you guys missed them, so the 100K giveaway is still going. It will end December 20 something. So definitely check the description box down below so you can enter and be part of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't have a lot to say. If you guys have any questions, definitely link them in this video. I want to do a Q&A in my next video, so if you leave me some questions here, I'm going to answer questions in my next video. It will be me doing nails, but I just want to know if you guys have any questions. It could be personal, it can be nail related, but I just want to do a Q&A for YouTube while I'm doing my nails. I can just answer some of you guys' questions if that's something that you would like. Just trying something new. So yeah, definitely leave them down below in the comment section and I will get to it in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.